Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the first chapter, our Earth in the Solar System from 6th class Social Studies. In summer months, we prefer to sleep on the terrace or in open air. At night time, what do we observe in the sky? The whole sky is visible with many twinkling objects. Along with these bright objects, we also see the moon on most of the days. Those objects are known as celestial bodies. Let us know more about these bodies. Celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky and other bodies like earth etc. are called the celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. Those are planets, satellites, asteroids, meteorites, comets, etc. In other words, any object in the universe is known as a celestial body. Universe. It's an endless area. There are no boundaries to the universe. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Now, what is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way or galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. Now, we will discuss about some celestial bodies like asteroids and comets. First, asteroids. Apart from the planets and satellites, there are a number of small rocky objects which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Next, comets. A comet is a celestial body made up of a head and tail. The head of a comet consists of solid particles and the tail is made up of gases. Halley's comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the earth every 76 years. This comet appeared in 1986 and will appear next in 2061. Constellations. Various patterns formed by different groups of stars in the sky are called constellations. They were named after different animals, objects, and creatures depending on the shape they look. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. In the northern hemisphere, people determine the north direction with the help of North Star. It indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of Ursa Major constellation. Now, our solar system. We came to know that the earth doesn't have its own heat and light. Where does the earth get light and heat from? It is the sun that gives the earth light and heat. The sun is the closest star to the earth, so the earth receives light and heat from the sun. Not only the earth, but also 7 other planets are moving around the sun. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it a solar family with the Sun as its head. The Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is very big in size and made up of extremely hot gases. The surface temperature of the Sun is around 6000 degrees centigrade, but that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because it is far away from us. The Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. According to their distance from the Sun, the order of planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the Sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. To remember easily the 8 planets in order, we have some simple tricks. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Second one, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. From these sentences, from each of the word, we have to take first letter. Then we can get 8 planets in order. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Earth. Our home planet, the Earth, is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the 5th largest planet. The Earth is the most suitable planet to support life. It has 4 major components that we call as the realms of the Earth. One is lithosphere. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the Earth consisting of rocks and soils. Next, hydrosphere. The hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps, and mountains, tanks, etc. Next one, atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the Earth. Different types of gases make up the atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. The other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon, and ozone are present in small amounts. Next, biosphere. All living things existing on the land, in the water, and in the air together called as biosphere. It consists of plants, animals, bacteria, and other tiny organisms. We will learn more about these spheres in higher classes. Satellites. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the Sun. Mercury and Venus do not have any satellites. All the other planets have satellites. The Moon. Our Earth has only one natural satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and that from the Moon. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. Man-made satellite. It is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe and the earth for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth and other solar bodies. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Important points from this lesson we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.